Hello out there, you're welcome to my channel, Akinwale Akinwale Mark here. If you are a returning subscriber, you notice that the last time I posted a video on YouTube was over 3 weeks ago. It's a long story, but I'm not here to talk about the story. But the good thing is that I am back and better, and you continue to see my videos maybe twice in a week or even 3 times in a week. Now, if you are a new subscriber and you're just coming to my channel for the first time, I am telling you, I'm assuring you that here you are going to get online money making skills, entrepreneurship skill, and a lot of how-to tutorials on how you can do things that bring money to your pocket. Why not hit the subscribe button now and turn on the notification bell icon so that you get notified anytime I post a new video. Now, let's go to the business of the day. What do I have for you today? Last year, I think it was December or maybe early this year, I posted a video on how you can stay at home and make money as an online tutor. I mentioned a website there, and that's Study Pool. And I made a promise that I was going to, prepare a video or make a video for you on how you can sell your old notes or lecture materials on Study Pool. So that is what we are going to do today. Do not be surprised. That old note that you want to throw away, that old lecture material that you want to throw away or that you think you don't need again, you can sell it on Study Pool. It can be handwritten, it can be typed. Without wasting your time, let's just dive in. I will show you how to do this on my laptop. Let's go there. Welcome on board. We are talking about studypool.com, how you can sell your documents and then your study materials, lecture notes, and also solved assignment or even your old school notes. So the first thing is to visit the website www.studypool.com, and that is what I have done. Then you sign up. The sign up process is actually an easy one. Here you type in your email address, then the username you want to use, type in your username and then the password, then hit on create account. Once you've done that, a mail will be sent to you to activate your account. Once you activate your account, you are good to go. You come back to the website and then click on login. I have my login details, so let me just type them in. I'll type in my password now and then login. Okay, let's wait for it to log in properly. Okay, I've logged in. So once you log in, forget about all the things that you have under here. So just go up and then you see sell docs. That is what you need, and that is where you're going to do your business. Click on this sell docs. Now, whatever you want to sell, maybe your old notebook, content, a particular topic in your old notebook, solved assignment for some schools, or solved homework or tutorial questions for some specific schools. Maybe you have a topic that you want to treat. Those are the things that you can sell. So click on sell docs. Once you click on sell docs, it brings you here. Now, before we go ahead, let me tell you about the documents, how you can sell. Yeah, I've told you what you can upload: practice test, exam prep materials, and study guides. Can be helpful for students. Then your old assignment, past homework, projects, reports, presentation, papers, etc. And then your class notes, you can upload those ones. Well, I've only uploaded one document on this website. It is my usual thing. When I hear about something, I try it and see how it works. Then I come back to YouTube to upload a video to teach others how to use it. Now, this is what I uploaded: physics lecture notes on simple machines. So that's what I uploaded. But anyway, I am beginning to develop interest in this now, and I am going to upload more documents. Now, how does it work? Like I said, you upload your documents, the files are approved, users view the documents, and then you receive payments. What are the payment methods? That is very, very important, especially from the part of the world where I come from, Nigeria, where some payment solutions do not accept Nigeria. So let's check the payment methods. We have Payoneer, we have PayPal, and so on and so forth. Then we have Skrill. Now, I know most Nigerians don't like PayPal because they know that Nigerians are not accepted on PayPal to receive payment. Though there is a way you can do it so that you receive payment on PayPal, but let's leave that. Here is Payoneer. So you can actually open a Payoneer account. If you don't know how to open that, you can write it in the comment section that I don't know how to open a Payoneer account. Then I'm going to make a video to that effect. Now, for your documents, before you upload the documents, let's see the do's and don'ts. For you to maximize your earnings, your documents must be of high quality. You must add details that will help students find your documents, and then your documents must be meaningful. What are the don'ts? Don't upload documents with low quality, bad titles, duplicate content, copyrighted material. You are not allowed to just send a title to AI, maybe like ChatGPT, and then you bring out what ChatGPT has given you, and then you come and upload. You may be marked for plagiarism. I'm not saying you shouldn't use AI at all, but once you get that from ChatGPT or anything, you can now sit down and then, remodel it. Let's see examples of good content. Now, look at this content. History of the United States, University of Cumberland, History 231, History of the United States, Practice Essay. This is descriptive enough. The title is okay. Look at it. Role of George Washington in the French and Indian War. Now let's look at another document. Look at this. Handwritten document, not clear. It was not well scanned. Even the handwriting is horrible. This is what I said earlier, that you must make sure your documents are clear enough. So I want to give you an advice now. If you know your handwriting is not too good, why not type what you want to send? In fact, even if your handwriting is very good, it is better to type, except if it is some mathematical solutions that you may find it difficult to type. But make sure you write very well. Let your handwriting be legible. Okay. All right. There are frequently asked questions here. I don't want to bother you too much, but let's just look at this. How can I boost sales? Add strong and descriptive titles. Upload documents from popular subjects such as business, nursing, humanities, and writing. Content must be high quality, legible, comprehensive, easy to read, and so on and so forth. Then look at this last one. Upload hundreds of documents. The more documents approved, the higher the chances they can be viewed for you to earn. So upload hundreds of documents because that gives you more chances. Now, how can I create a good title? Creating a good title is very simple and only takes few seconds. Make sure to include the school or course name if available. A brief description that best summarizes and represents the content of the document. Then the document type, e.g. practice essay, discussions, practice exam worksheet, and so on and so forth. Example of good titles now. Ashford Biz 100 Workplace and Wellness Business Program Practice Essay. Alright. Why are my documents denied? I've told you some of the reasons: bad title, copyrighted materials, and plagiarism. So now I believe I have explained to you how you can sell your documents on Studypool. Wait. Are you watching this video and you have not subscribed to my channel? Please do that. It's a way of saying thank you for exposing me to this. It's just a way of appreciating me. So go now and hit the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification icon so that whenever I post good videos like this, YouTube will alert you to let you know that I have posted another wonderful video. If you have any question concerning what I have dealt with today, you can just go to the comment section and then type in your question. If you don't have any question, you can also go to the comment section and just say thank you for this video. So that will be all for now. I'll be expecting you to watch my next video. So see you then. Bye.